Today, let's look together at the Ethereum BTC chart in the long term. So let's start with the market structure. What I really like about this one is that, as you can see, after taking this low, yeah, after we took this low by a few dollars, yeah, we went to the upside and we only had higher lows. So this is definitely bullish because, as you can see, we have low, higher low, higher low, higher low, yeah. Potentially this is also a higher low, but we didn't had basically price going to the upside and retracing. Also, what is important is that we don't really make higher highs. Why? Because we simply basically after this high we made a lower high, yeah. We made a lower high from there, but if we're counting from this high, that is obviously the higher high, and we again made a higher high. So one could say that it is also good to count from this high, because then we have our higher highs. So right now let's talk about my potential channel and triangle ideas. So first of all, what I want to show you is the channel, yeah. So I did it for you already. So as you can see, what we have here is, as I said, we have a very nice higher lows, yeah. And also we have a potential, basically this is a deviation, yeah. We have our channel high, and as you can see, this is a very nicely respected channel. As you can see, the middle of the channel is very nicely respected right here, right here, right here. Resistance, back tested as a resistance also after a break to the downside, yeah, really nicely. So this is one idea, is that we are basically in the uptrending channel to the upside, yeah. So this is good. But also what I have is another idea, which is triangle idea. As you can see, it basically tells me more truth, because right here we can see that the highs are very, very nicely respected. As you can see, this high, resistance, 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 as you can see, resistance, yeah. However, we broke to the upside. We had our pretty huge deviation, and we went down to the triangle. We again found support at the basically low of the triangle, yeah. And again, we found resistance at this basically trend line, yeah, at the triangle high. So this is another very interesting idea in my opinion. I am basically keeping an eye on it, and this is very important, yeah. Let's look right now at the higher time frame levels. So I have a few of them. What is interesting and important is this monthly level. As you can see, this purple line, yeah. As you can see, it is acting right now as a very nice support, and basically it is providing to us support. As a resistance, we have this weekly level. Let's see if we have any Fibonacci retracements. Not really, yeah. As you can see, we have a golden pocket right here, just above of this weekly level. What could happen is that we would take this liquidity which we have right here, yeah. So price going to the upside to take the high, touch the basically the golden pocket and reject, yeah. That would be also a really nice plan in my opinion. So definitely this is an untapped weekly level, which is a resistance, yeah. And also what is important is this daily level, because it is an untested level, yeah. As you can see, after we created it, we didn't touch it anyhow. So one could say that we can go to the downside, touch this daily level, make a little deviation from this channel for everyone to short basically, and then we will have this reversal to the upside, yeah. Once everyone is selling, the price is just reverting and wrecking a lot of people, yeah. This is what price loves to do. So basically we have a daily as a support and weekly as a resistance. Of course, we have to keep in mind that we have this channel idea and triangle idea, yeah. Very important in my opinion. We can also, what we can do is basically go to the high, reject from here, support, reject, support, reject, yeah? Always everything is possible. So these levels are very important in my opinion. As you can see, we are coming to the end of this triangle, so we are seeing the smaller and smaller ranges. So basically it tells to us that yes, this is a triangle. If we potentially break out from this triangle to the upside, we have another option, which is the channel. Yeah, we're trading the channel and the range until it breaks. So that is really important. Also, what is nice is that if we take our fixed range, let's update it. What we have is the point of control at this basically monthly level. So this is definitely an important level. If we will lose it, basically if price will go to that downside, retest it, that would be honestly very, very nice, because that would be a retest of the channel, a retest of the monthly, and a retest of the point of control. Yeah, and potentially a hard flip, because as you can see, we had a support and that would be a resistance. Very, very nice level. Yeah, very nice level in my opinion. So once we are above it, it is acting as a support, but if we lose it, basically it will be a resistance. Very, very nice and technical. Yeah. So what is also pretty interesting for me is the Fibonacci time. So what do I have right here? Let's look one at each. So very simply, what I have right here is I took the Fibonacci time from this low to this high, and yeah, I look basically how much it took to go to the from low to the high, and as you can see, we had a 1, basically 1-to-1 Fibonacci time. We found a low at 1-to-1 time. Yeah, so this is pretty good. We are